Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Akbar. I am your lecturer and I will teach you speaking. So here, why I want to teach you speaking, because I think speaking is one of important skill that student must have. But in this era globalisasi, there are still many students cannot speak English. Even they know speaking English is very important, but they can't speak English. The problem is, I think, because they don't know how to make or how to improve their speaking skill. So this is my motivation to you, or for me, why I want to teach speaking, because I want to improve your speaking skill and I want to help you to increase your speaking skill or correction, or give you some motivation how to speaking English well. So in my class, maybe there are some activity that can increase our speaking skill. Alright, first I will use role play. Yeah, I will use role play. Why I use role play? Because in this method, I think this is very useful, because you will be make someone or become actor. So you just do role play, or maybe if your role is becoming a teacher, you will teach and maybe teach how to speak English, like that. So I think in this my activity, the first activity in my class, I will use role play. And the second, my activity to increase your speaking skill, I will ask, or I will try student to take or to find a new vocabulary. Yeah, because in this section, I think vocabulary one of important or the basic to speak English well, because we cannot speak well if we don't know the meaning. So that's why I will ask the student to find the new vocabulary. Maybe per day the student must remind 10 vocabularies or more. And the third, I think this is one also is important for us, that it's pronunciation. Yeah, in my activity or in my activity class, I will teach pronunciation also, because this is very shy if we are wrong to say something, because we are English teacher. So I think it's important for us to less a mistake to speak English, because if then we are wrong to say something, so the student will follow us and follow our mistake. So I think pronunciation is this important to teach. And next, and I will ask the student to teach or to tell something with English. Yeah, if they have a story or maybe they have activity, I will ask, or I will asking them, and they must answer with their English. Yeah, in this section, I think they must speak English, because if the in the Zoom or in the class, English must be used, then this is must be responsibility our class. So the student must speak English well in the class. So this is just becoming maybe one of the rule in speaking class. And any other option, maybe we can use also application, because there are so many application in the Play Store we can download and use that to improve our speaking skill. For example, we can use YouTube, or then what's that, Duolingo, and then etc. I think there's so many application can help the student to speak English well. And the second, or the last, I mean the last, we can use watch, or we can watch a movie. So from the movie, maybe we can learn also new vocabularies or pronunciation. Yeah, so we can learn from the movie. Of course, the movie must be speaking English, or the movie will be English or Western. So we can learn from the movie some vocabularies or some new vocabularies and how to pronounce the right pronunciation, because in the movie they are native. So I think enough for my explanation about my class, about my activities in the class. I think enough, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.